Since ancient times, Chinese people have been planting, picking, making, and drinking tea.
In late November, China's traditional tea making has been added to the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List.
Tea is ubiquitous in Chinese people's daily life. Steeped or boiled tea is served in families, workplaces, tea houses, restaurants, and temples, to name a few. There are over 2,000 tea products in China, including reprocessed teas, such as flower-scented ones. Jasmine tea is tea scented with jasmine blossoms, which bring it a slight sweetness and fragrance.
Following the scent of jasmine, I've come to a time-honored tea brand here in Beijing.
The brand's jasmine tea scenting technique has been listed as one of the national-level intangible cultural heritages. The manufacturing process of jasmine tea mainly includes preparing tea base, selecting flowers, scenting and blending, heat dissipation, separating flowers from tea leaves, baking, packaging, and so on. Jasmine tea is currently the most widely known scented tea, with the biggest output, most consumers, and the most complete industry system in China.
In their leisure time, many Beijingers love nothing more than to go to tea houses and indulge in their favorite drink and Chinese traditional culture.
This establishment Ahmed is one of the best-known tea houses in Beijing. It's named after Chinese novelist and dramatist Lao She and his famous drama Tea House. Since it opened 34 years ago, this tea house has received around 8 million visits.
Tea houses have become part of the life and fabric of the capital.
老舍茶馆是中国改革开放后创建的第一家茶馆，而且是与传统文化、非物质文化遗产相关的茶馆。创始人是我的父亲，他是老北京人，他特别喜欢中国的传统文化艺术。
This is also the first courtyard tea house in Beijing, with 9 rooms of distinctive styles.
Here at the Lao She Tea House, you can drink the best teas in the country and taste delicious traditional Beijing-style snacks.
Most importantly, visitors can enjoy all kinds of traditional performance art, including Peking opera, face changing of Sichuan, hand shadow play, among others.
作为大家认知的传统型茶馆，我觉得它更多的是传承了我们祖辈的生活方式。我们通过一个茶馆的市场化的这么一个形式，又有文化体验，又有商业输出，又有传统文化的产品，把它融合在一起。
Nowadays, many new Chinese-style tea houses have popped up across China, which have been gaining popularity among the young people. Driven by curiosity, I headed to one tea house of this kind in Beijing, which is located deep in a traditional Hutong alleyway.
这店呢开了今年刚好是3年多一点。茶套餐呢，我们包括1罐茶叶1份茶点还有1份干果，有时候会送水果。我们茶铺呢根据市场的商务需求，我们制定相应的套餐标准，落美收费。这我们也是在不断的研究年轻的群体他们喜欢喝茶的方法，然后去改进 重新定位设计的产品。
They have a lot of different varieties for you to choose from, and I picked the rose-flavored black tea.
41-year-old Zhang has been engaged in the tea industry for 16 years. He's very optimistic about the booming tea industry in China.
能看到咱们茶的行业这飞速的发展，大伙儿呢不仅是这满足了我要吃饱喝穿好的需要一个精神方面的一个需求，在我们这个胡同的茶馆里，可以满足茶客的精神文化方面的需求。茶馆越来越多，我觉得是符合现在国家发展繁荣富强，老百姓生活幸福的这么一个重要的一个表现。
中国是茶叶的发源地，也是目前全球第一产茶国和第一消费国。中国传统制茶技艺及习俗是珍贵的，中国制茶技艺的多样性以及发展经验，有助于促进、减少贫困和实现可持续发展。
With traditional tea making listed as UNESCO cultural heritage, many are hoping that China's tea making traditions will be better preserved and tea culture carry forward.
非遗的工作是一个文化的传承工作，同时也是文化的创新工作。中国的非遗入选联合国教科文组织人类非遗代表作的名册名录啊，均于世界第一。我想这是让世界了解中国的一个重要方式。非遗它是人类共享的，是中国的世界的贡献，让世界的文化更加丰富多彩。